Quick update to the Ford F-250 Desert Quicksand, or maybe it's just a quicksand. So this has been a good truck for me. It is really rough, and I think I've shown this before about a year ago. June is when I finished it. So it has, let me see, there it'll focus. Okay, so it comes out with a really rough texture, but not very glossy. Up here it is. That's because I just put it on too thick, sanded it down, came back over it. I think it pebbled up really heavy is because it was hot out. They recommend that you do it lower than 80 degrees, and here in Arizona that's kind of hard to do in June. So this back tailgate I did, and it kind of a nice glossy set finish. What I'm not happy with is the bed. Now, of course, I have bar oil back there. We toss in wood, so it kind of chipped up the wood, maybe because it dented. So maybe you can expect that with most. And here on the bed too, right in there. Kind of shows the old red color, since that's why I call it Big Red. So I'm gonna let this go for a little bit. Maybe chip some of that up. I don't think I'll strip it out, but clean it out, and then I'll re-spray it with some epoxy-based stuff that I'll have, and I'll do a video on that. But I just want to show you a quick overview. Pretty clean. Just some grease and oil spilling out there. Really don't wash it. Just let the rain wash it out. The headache rack I did with a combination of the bedliner and the bedliner that you can buy at Walmart. I think Rustoleum makes one. It's just a rattle can bedliner, and I use that to kind of cover up some of the bolts, and that wasn't too bad. Maybe I'll try to repair. That's what I'll do first. I'll try to repair those spots with the spray bedliner and kind of see how that goes and see how that holds up. The mirrors and the logos I did all with that sprayed rattle can bedliner, and it's held up pretty well. Kind of see where it kind of got gloopy right there. And then same with the logo, the little the F-150. So my next is to, I still haven't put the little it's a aluminum windshield guard all the way around them, which replace the windshield one more time and have them snap it in. But I'm going to do the same way, where I'm going to spray it that black color. So for $600 plus my time, if I could do it again, I could probably do it with less coats, just because I had to sand it down and go over it. But I wanted to kind of, I'm here at Area 15, if you're ever in the Phoenix Mesa area. Mr. Silencer, Bruce Stevens, owns that shop, and he sells a ton of silencers, a ton of Class 3 fully automatic weapons. And this is his beast. Big old F-350 with big old Hummer tires on it, and almost identical in color. One vehicle, $2,000. Anybody want to guess what that thing runs? I think he actually has it for sale, so you can actually contact him if you wanted to look up Area 15 in Mesa, Arizona. Talk to Bruce Stevens, he'll probably give you the rundown on that. So I'm actually ordering a can for my 300 Win Mag. I ordered a Dead Air Nomad, of course. Sorry, that's not a 350, that's an F-550 Super Duty Lariat, and they have the kind of the spray a little bit different than mine. Kind of your bug out vehicle, if you want a bug out vehicle, your big old 35, 80, 20s. Just a really sweet truck.